Now, what I'll do is the engrave. How do we make the engrave? Let's select Photoshop in order to visualize some alphas I've generated. Course 3, in Textures, Ornament, this one. In fact, I'll open them all. This is the one we'll use for this area, the one right here, this shape. And this one over here, we'll also use it, and I'll show you which one corresponds. It'll be this one. I've applied it already with a brush. I'll show you. And the other shape is the one over here, which corresponds to the portion over here, also here, also over here, also over here, and over here. It's the same shape. So on this class, we'll apply this one. After applying it, you'll understand how to proceed with the ones here. On the others, here. So let's go ahead and select the brush we use. It's called Stitch Basic. And this over here is an alpha. I'll import, selecting Course 3, Textures, Ornament, which would be the Ornament 1. So let's see how it works. This stitch is normally used for generating the sewing. We can replace the shape set on this stitch previously for this shape here. So I apply it this way. Let's open this for a moment here. Close this here and open alpha. So let's set first what color we'll use. It'll be a color like this one, similar to this metal color. Let's also set the size, the intensity of the metal, and the intensity of the volume we want to achieve. We make it this way. Let's modify it. There are modifications we can do over here in alpha. If we want to generate 2 tiles, we would generate something like this. If we had to add more tiles, they are kind of repetitions. Let's disable tile, set it on 1. Right as it is, we can apply it, but I need also need to apply it with the material, since notice it comes with a metallic material over that material, which is kind of a leather. So let's see. The first thing I have to do is to select here, and let's head to the material. It is this one over here. Often, depending on the angle, on the shape, it is like this, cylindrical. It gets a bit complex, so we have to make a portion of the stroke using lazy mouse. Controlled, reach a point, and lazy mouse will help us to carry on from that point. Over here, I've got lazy mouse at the moment. Lazy radius, excuse me. Lazy mouse is enabled and lazy radius is set on 100. So like that, I can generate this shape. Let's generate it. Over here at the back, it's not letting me start from this point. A bit lower, there. No. Then I'll start from the other side. It worked. Let's try to make it right on the middle, up to this portion. And then we continue from that point. Let's see if we can finish this properly. Sometimes it gets difficult. Alright. That's what we've got. We have basically got the leg complete with the leather material. You will check if you'll apply some more detail, more folds, more wear. See you on the next class. Well, I think this is it about this class. Let's continue in the next class for painting another piece.